I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to analyze the gold markets for entire this week. So, if you just watched my previous video, you guys know that I told you you have a chance to see that price respect into this trend line here, and after that it starts going up, or in other case, you can see that price just starts going down and sweep these liquidities here, fill this gap, and tap into this daily dimension here. So as you guys can see, price just tap into this daily dimension, mitigate the 50% of this dimension here, and we have this swing low here in the daily time frame. So let me just tell you that we have a chance to see that price start to going up to sweep these liquidities here. And for example, if we could find any supply zone here in the lower time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, like the 1-hour time frame, we can go for the short trade exactly here. And let me just tell you that you guys really need to be careful about the Thursday and Wednesday in the New York session, because we have high impact news there. And yeah, so let's go in the 4-hour time frame to see more details. First of all, I just want to explain the structure for you guys. So this is the structure in the 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, price just break the structure here again. So again, we confirm that we are in a downtrend. That's fine. So if we go for the short trades, we have more chance to win that trade. And actually, once you could go for the short trade here too, sorry, I just explained for you guys that you have a chance to go for the long trade here in my previous video. Actually, I couldn't take this long trade here. I couldn't take this short trade here because I was really busy. I couldn't, go for trade and this kind of stuff. But it doesn't matter right now actually. So we have this new swing low in the 4-hour time frame, and we are between this range of price in the 4-hour time frame, and we want to find the best actually range of price that we can go for the short trade. So the first range of price that you guys can go for the short trade is this supply zone here in the 4-hour time frame, but I don't really recommend this one because I don't like to go for the short trades when I have a huge liquidity above my supply zone. But you guys for this case need to go in the lower time frame, like the 5 or 15-minute time frame. For example, you just need to see a good entry point, for example something like this, and go for the short trade here, and after that you can take your TPs. If I see the things in the 5 or 15-minute time frame, probably I will go for the short trade here. But let me just tell you that this concept is really great to go for the short trade, because we have the trend line of structural liquidity, we have the gap here. Sorry, so yeah, we have the trend line of structural liquidity here, we have this gap, and we have this supply zone here. We have this supply zone here. So you can go for the short trade exactly into this range of price, but you guys really need to be careful about this swing high here. If you want to go for the short trade, you guys need to set your stop loss above this swing high here, because sometimes you will see that price starts to going up, price reaching to this supply zone, and suddenly price start to going up rapidly only with a shadow to sweep this equal high liquidities here, to sweep this swing high liquidity, and after that start to going down. So you guys really need to be careful about these things. And actually, again, you have a chance to go for the short trade in the 50% of this gap in the 4-hour time frame. But for this, you guys need to go in the lower time frame, like the 15 or 5-minute time frame, and you guys need to find a dimension into this range of price. And you also can go for the short trade here too. Actually, for example, you find a supply zone in the 15-minute time frame, you will see your entry points. Okay, you will set your stop loss here above your supply zone in the 15-minute time frame, and you go for the short trade. And yeah, so you have these opportunities to go for the short trade in the 4-hour time frame. So let's check the 1-hour time frame too. So let's go in the 1-hour time frame. Actually, it's really similar to the 4-hour time frame. We are in a downtrend. Let's say that's okay, we're between this range of price in the 1-hour time frame, that's fine. And yeah, again, you have a chance to go for the short trade here into this supply zone, as I told you, in the 4-hour time frame. And actually, this one is smaller, this one is optimized one, because this is your stop loss in the 1 hour time frame. But if you want to go for the short trade in the 4 hour time frame, maybe this one would be your stop loss. So as I told you, you have a chance to go for the short trade here. You have a chance to go for the short trade here. I told you that you guys really need to be careful about these liquidities, this one here, and actually this swing liquidity here too. So I don't think that's we have anything more about the gold markets for this week, and I hope you can make good profit. Thanks for watching, and if you just like this video, just share it with your friends.